So Dipti, I heard Lutyens, which is Delhi's most expensive area, in fact India's most expensive area.
Yeah, everybody knows it.
I thought मैंने सुना है कि यार वहाँ सारी embassies are shifting from there.
Yeah, basically जो embassies है ना, they're relocating to diplomatic enclave 2, which is closer to Dwarka Expressway. So hence speculation है कि उस एरिया में क्या होगा, FAR बढ़ गया या FSI बढ़ गया.
That could be the prime next real estate spot.
Exactly.
Lutyens.
And can you imagine कि price क्या होने वाला है? So I don't know, एक अलग ही एक crazy market बन
2
जाएगी.
lakh rupees a square foot.
Maybe 5 lakh.
My God.
हाँ, 2 lakh is like nothing. अभी तो वो establish हो चुका है गुड़गांव में, so it's going to be 5 lakh I feel.
And इसके वजह से कितना open space generate होगा Lutyens में.
एक्चुअली वो ऑलरेडी बहुत ओपन है आई फील. मुझे लगता है थोड़ा सा कंजेशन बढ़ जाएगा आई फील, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली अगर कोई डेवलपर आएगा तो वो एक दो फ्लैट बना के तो काम चलेगा नहीं. दे आर इनटू बल्क.
फुल FAR
Yes,
यूटिलाइज
exactly.
करेंगे.
They utilize, make the most out of it. और
Correct.
मुझे लगता है कि 200-300 से कम काम चलेगा
My
नहीं.
God.
So
And
that's what I feel.
Developers में I think DLF might already be eyeing it.
हाँ. Do you think somebody from Bombay would be interested there to invest?
I don't think so.
Uh-huh.
क्योंकि क्या real estate is very hyper local subject. And you should always do well in your area. I think
Yeah.
a Bombay developer will find it harder to succeed in. They don't know the Delhi market.
Delhi market, yeah. And speaking about hyper localization, DLF is coming to Bombay finally, Andheri West में. What's the market feedback? मतलब market में क्या
So
चल रहा है?
DLF hasn't done that well in Bombay.
Okay.
In fact, this land that you see,
Yeah.
where Lodha has built a fantastic project,
अच्छा,
that
we
was
sitting
first, right next to that,
Okay.
the 217-acre parcels, that was bought by DLF first.
And they
Lodha ने
sold it?
DLF से खरीदा है land ये.
कारण?
DLF maybe couldn't manage a project of this size in Mumbai. It's not their city. And Lodha did absolute justice to this land. ये पकड़ लेता हूँ पहले.
हाँ. यार आप खाते रहो ना प्लीज.
हाँ.
क्योंकि हम सारा खा जाएंगे बाद.
सही में. गिर गया. Hi, I'm Mayank.
Hi, I'm Deepti Malik.
Let's have lunch.
Yes, and it's Yazoo, my personal favorite Asian kitchen.
And mine too.
What?
Marketing.
But people know that I love to talk about food and cafes. They keep recommending also whenever I'm traveling to some different place. So I was at Kolaba yesterday. People suggested I should go to, how do you call it? Mondegar? Mondegar, yeah.
Old school charm, मतलब beers और.
Yeah. But I was way too tired कि मैं कोलाबा रुक के कुछ खाती. So ultimately room पे जाके we ordered in room dining only. No.
हाँ.
अच्छा, I did not know.
Massive shopping there,
And
Colaba.
I was looking to shop, मतलब कि मुझे चाहिए था कि कुछ तो मैं लेके जाऊँ from Bombay, you know, girls being girls. पर मुझे कुछ नहीं मिला वहाँ पे. Nykaa दिखा. That's it.
See, Colaba has a lot of shops.
Yeah.
Lots of shops.
So talking about DLF, but do you think कि ये जो नया project होता है, this could be the new game-changing phase for DLF here?
Possibly, but I feel Bombay is a very competitive market. So apart from having a good brand, they will also need to make a good product in the end. Very competitive, big players are here. So I think it will be interesting.
And plus they're known for the ecosystem and putting like a lot of effort into the open spaces that they have.
Yeah,
और मुंबई में ये challenge रहेगा because there's
Absolutely.
always scarcity of land.
absolutely, absolutely. So Dipti, now that you've told me that the entire Lutyens area, all the most expensive area, all the embassies could shift out, how big is Lutyens?
So it is somewhere close to 7,000 acres.
My God.
Yeah.
7,000
crazy.
acres of luxury real estate could get free for development.
For development.
So, don't you think this will change Delhi's luxury market?
100% because you know like I am little skeptical also because imagine that place will lose its charm. It's pretty low density and it's known for the vibe that it has, the ecosystem.
right.
And when a developer would be actually planning to develop something, they would think of making the most out of it. So imagine it'll be like highly, not highly, but still they would want to make hundreds or maybe
Dense,
200. Yeah.
My
So,
God.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Do you think any Mumbai developer would be interested to capture that spotlight
I think
by entering into
possible, but you know, real estate is so hyper local that it's hard for a Delhi developer to actually do well in Mumbai, and it's equally hard for a Mumbai developer to do well in Delhi.
Delhi? Yeah.
For example, DLF, who's done phenomenally well in Gurgaon and Delhi
Basically,
NCR
they are the
region.
kings of real estate.
Absolutely. But they couldn't do that well in Mumbai. In fact, that land has been bought by Lodha from DLF only back in the day. And Lodha's built one of the best
They should
iconic
build slums
projects.
first, and then they can develop.
Yeah.
So, I think, but yeah, I think
And is it the reason that developers like Lodhas, Hiranandani's, they're not planning to venture into North?
they do, like for example, Godrej has done a good job with a
Yeah.
pan-India presence.
Yeah.
But often what builders do is they get tie-ups with regional players there.
Yeah.
Rather than starting everything by themselves, they do a joint venture.
Joint
or,
venture, yeah. That's
So,
always nice.
always safer. But it'll be interesting. I'm sure Mumbai developers will want a piece of the pie,
Yeah. I'm sure.
of the national capital pie. And Lutyens definitely.
Yeah. Lutyens,
Lutyens
yeah.
is the
Everybody
area,
wants to-
yeah.
Like, it's a global name that I feel everybody knows where Lutyens is. That's
And
a
extremely, extremely peaceful.
yeah, extremely. Yeah, but
Something that,
yeah.
not
I
for
don't know
too
if
long.
it's going to stay that. And what do you think, like DLF coming to Andheri West now, it could be a new stepping stone for DLF?
Possibly, yes. But they still have to prove. See, the brand is fantastic. Brand name is there. But they still have to build a good product to succeed in Bombay, because Mumbai is very competitive.
Yeah,
A lot of builders are around you, right?
yeah,
All the top 10 builders are your neighbors.
yeah.
So Andheri as a pin code has a lot of supply and all the good supply of the good builders.
Yeah.
So it'll still be competitive.
And because I was looking at DLF, तो मेरे को देखा उसमें सामने there was a huge building, and I was like, what would be your view? So then I came to know about SRA, that
Right.
is slum rehabilitation.
Right.
So this is something new, like
Slum SRA is a very unique concept
yeah.
in our
Is
city.
it like EWS for?
Similar, but it's very different. Similar and different. So as you know, slums they grow horizontal,
Yeah,
and Bombay has no land left.
yeah.
So as per the SRA scheme, they basically redevelop the slum in one area of the land where they'll go vertical
Yeah.
and give slum dwellers homes, right? And the remaining part is for the developers who redeveloping that to sell it into the open market. That's how you free up the land. And now the biggest slum redevelopment scheme in Mumbai, possibly in India,
Yeah.
is Dharavi,
Yeah.
which Adani, is.
yeah.
So it's going to free up Bombay. BKC will change more. Exciting times.
Yeah. So as you were mentioning earlier before we were having lunch, ki it is on the lines of Singapore, right?
Right.
Yeah.
So Singapore back in the day was the largest slum in the world.
Yeah.
The largest slum was Singapore. It was
Can't
way worse than
imagine.
Mumbai.
Yeah.
And what they did was they did an SRA.
For the-
I mean, their SRA scheme is different, but
Yeah.
they rehabilitated all the slums. They broke down all the slums and built new buildings all at once,
Like in one go. So that
In one
there's
go.
no like staggered.
in one go.
But
Like you're
SR
ripping the bandage off at once.
Ah.
हम लोग
what-
धीरे 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 कर रहे हैं तो लगेगा 30-40 साल.
But what I want to know is कि वहाँ के SRA यहाँ के SRA जैसे दिखते हैं क्या? Because here
No.
I'm like okay.
No, I mean, I'm sure the construction quality is better there, to be
Yeah.
honest. Because here, to make the project also feasible, the builder has to construct the SRA,
Yeah.
and that he has to give free of cost
Free of cost,
to
exactly.
slum dwellers, and then has to also build that tower and get sales. So
And I
it's-
guess the new home buyers in the non-SRA will have to actually bear the cost for SRA. Is that
no,
true?
they indirectly, because they are
Indirectly.
actually paying for this tower, जिससे पूरा बन रहा है.
पूरा बन रहा है.
But
True.
now here's an interesting challenge, right? I see a very interesting urban challenge happening. The way the SRA towers are built are not the best quality. तो ऐसा ना हो कि 10 साल बाद उन टावर का ही रीडेवलपमेंट करना पड़े फिर से.
So basically
Where
it is
would
going to be RSRA.
redevelopment SRA again.
Yeah, right?
So I think interesting. Let's see. It'll be a very urban challenge because right now, redeveloping slums is still you're horizontal.
Yeah.
You have space, but you've made a cramped building.
Yeah.
In fact, the building we saw earlier
Yeah.
next to
That I was
Mahalakshmi,
asking, yeah,
that was India's tallest SRA rehab building.
Tallest. And how tall
SRA
is it?
building. I'm not sure of the exact height, but it is India's tallest SRA building. Now imagine redeveloping that in 10 years or 20 years.
It is going to be a nightmare, I
It's
feel.
going to be a nightmare.
And also about like here, it's carpet area vis-a-vis super area in Gurgaon and Delhi NCR real estate. And what I've seen is also like balcony is not a common sight here. I mean, it's okay for people not to have balcony. So I was amazed यार हम तो बिना balcony के रह ही नहीं सकते. Even if we're not using it, but हाँ एक होता है open space है, ventilation का concept है. So
What happens is now balcony is part of FSI.
Huh.
So when you make it part of FSI, a lot of builders say कि balcony क्यों देना? उतना space let's give to the home buyer in his bedroom. Anyways, Mumbai homes, you've seen how small they are.
Yeah. Matchboxes?
Sometimes,
अगर balcony दे भी दोगे तो देखोगे क्या?
correct, slum, view,
Exactly.
what else?
Yeah, in one of your reels you mentioned that the Arabian Sea that we have is the
Yeah.
biggest.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Toilet
Can't
view.
say it again.
But no, we actually have to talk about what's lacking because वो already exist करता है, nobody is talking about it. अगर हम अच्छी चीज को बार-बार highlight कर सकते हैं, why not the things which are lacking?
That's how you improve.
Yeah, that's how we improve.
That's how
And
you
there's
improve.
always scope for improvement.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And what happens in Bombay is if you have a 100 square foot bedroom with a 40 square foot balcony, the person will feel कि यार 140 square foot का bedroom दे देता मेरे को.
हाँ.
Why do I waste the in balcony?
हाँ.
So balcony is a luxury.
So on my way coming to Mahalakshmi, I was actually looking at the building. So मैंने एक चीज notice की, like all the balconies or like windows, whatever you call it, सब पे ना it was covered with how do you call it, जाली जो होती है.
हाँ.
So I just wanted to understand what is the rationale behind it. कि सब में ऐसे क्या है? Crime rate तो है नहीं यहाँ पे. Like is it just to maximize the space so that it could be used as an additional storage space?
You're talking about the dry balcony?
They were like,
Covered with iron bars.
yeah. Like
Oh,
entire
iron bars.
Yeah.
Actually, you know what happens is now builders will not let you put iron bars. You can't change the facade with
Yeah,
new buildings,
yeah.
but पुराने buildings में वो डाला है as a safety. Maybe nobody wants to fall from a height, so maybe that way.
That could be the reason.
Resale buildings में होता है iron bars, but not in new buildings. They would because it show खराब हो जाता है.
Show खराब हो गया. So in case if I have to ask two favorite developers or basically the kings of real estate in Mumbai, who would it be?
There are many, but I tell you, my two favorite that I like are Hiran Nandani.
Yeah.
Love him. And Oberoi Builders.
Oberoi.
Oberoi is also good. They make classy stuff.
I've heard about Oberoi 360.
Very, very classy buildings.
Yeah?
Extremely classy buildings. And what they've done to it is fantastic. All your film stars, Shahid Kapoor has
Yeah?
a home there. Top gentry. Very, very top gentry.
So where does all the film stars hang out? Like
Juhu.
Juhu.
That's the main adda.
You know, I was
Juhu
planning
Bandra.
to go to Juhu, but I don't know what made me go to Colaba. I might have bumped into any of the celebrities.
I think you saw my reel. The toilet one. That's why he went.
I wanted to see for myself कि सच में है भी या नहीं.
और
So
देखा
that's so चल रहा है.
so इतना बड़ा.
हाँ.
So who are your favorite developers of Delhi NCR?
See, DLF goes without saying.
Of
Everybody
course.
loves DLF.
Absolutely.
The second one is Central Park.
Central Park.
Yeah. Have you seen any of their developments?
No.
Like-
I've seen DLFs, but
Yeah.
not Central.
So next time, whenever you're coming to Gurgaon, I'll take you to Central Park Resorts. It is underappreciated. Not many people know about it,
Right.
but they have this international tunnel system. So I mean, it would be very difficult for you to fathom, but they have 20 acres of open area.
My God.
Yeah, they have anti-smog guns.
What is that? What is 20 acres of? Can you someone tell me?
Yeah.
Any Mumbaikar, can you please tell me what 20 acres of open space means?
Yeah. Plus, they were one of the first to come up with zero vehicular traffic on the surface. So basically, they use golf cart and they have drop-off area like a 5-star. They have driver lounge wherein the drivers can wait in the AC lounge. So they've taken care of the small
Small
details.
stuff.
Yeah. So this is actually really cool.
Also, you know what? The advantage of Delhi is Delhi as a city, as a region now, can grow radially. NCR, right?
Yeah.
So there's more land. That's why there's more open space.
Yeah.
Mumbai is surrounded by water from three sides. There will be go.
Yeah.
So we have to go vertical. There is no land.
Either you
That's
start
why you don't
reclaiming the sea and then
But how much
Yeah.
also can you reclaim?
like Dubai has done with
Yeah.
Jebel Ali.
And then you go north. North करते करते हम गुजरात पहुंच गए almost, right? And then you have on the east side, you have water again.
Yeah.
We made a bridge on top of that. That's Navi Mumbai, right?
Oh,
So that Navi Mumbai region is going to do well.
Yeah.
And then after Navi Mumbai, your Pune comes. So we are cramped.
Okay.
There's no-
and
there's-
everybody wants to stay in Mumbai. The address
Yeah.
always matters.
You know, I'll tell you something very interesting.
Yeah.
It might sound stupid at first, but
Yeah.
it makes sense if you hear it again. So of course, we all know that good infrastructure
Yeah.
will increase real estate prices. But the opposite is also true. I'll give you an example. Bad infrastructure also increases real estate prices.
But how?
I'll give you an example. Now say Bandra, where BKC is a
Okay.
central business district. Everyone has offices there.
Yeah, where the Geo World Convention is.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Now, all the offices are there. It's a capital, and everyone comes there. And what happens is that everyone wants to work close to their home,
Yeah.
right? So that's why people go to Bandra
Yeah.
or a Lower Parel, which is closer to BKC.
Yeah.
Now imagine if I could travel to Navi Mumbai at half the price in 10 minutes by a bullet train.
Yeah.
My infrastructure was as good as Japan's.
Yeah.
Why would I pay a higher price to Bandra? I would have just shifted to Navi Mumbai and travel to. But Bombay, no one wants to travel 2 hours in a local train.
Yeah.
So people bid for areas closer to a central business district, and that's why the residential hubs are formed near offices.
Ah, that is
That's why Bandra का price बढ़ते रहेगा because there's demand of offices nearby.
totally, yeah. So it's basically like a smart city. Yeah.
See, technically we failed as a smart city because अगर नवी मुंबई होता तो मैं जाता ना 10 मिनट, पर मेरे को नवी मुंबई में 2 घंटे लगता है जाने में, तो मैं क्यों रहूंगा नवी मुंबई में अगर मेरा ऑफिस बीकेसी में है.
So this is going to happen with Dwarka Expressway. So basically, you know, Dwarka Expressway at the one end, there's going to be a diplomatic enclave too that I was mentioning, and then there's going to be multiple other landmark development that's going to take place, and at the other end, there's going to be Global City, which
Right.
is going to be 1,000 acres of development by the Haryana government, HSI.
1,000 acres, that's
yeah.
big.
So to give you a perspective, Cyber City is 250 acres, and that's
Right.
going to be 1,000 acres, and
my
DLF might be coming up with Cyber City 2, so which is closer to Dwarka Expressway, SPR, so people would be actually looking to move or relocate towards that area. Abhi the infrastructure, other than the elevated corridor, there's nothing much. Social infrastructure is.
But I mean, your roads are still wide.
Yeah.
The less
But they're
potholes.
much wider.
Yeah,
Here in
infrastructures.
Bombay, I was astonished to see that this is the financial capital, and the roads are like this narrow, and on either side of the roads you find developments.
Absolute.
You know, like there's
We
roadway.
live.
Yeah.
It's called the city of chaos,
Yeah.
and we are so used to chaos
Yeah.
and dust flying around.
I want to add to it. Actually, हम आ रहे थे ना तो तब they're saying ना कि मुंबई सपनों का शहर है. तो मुझे लगता है ये सपनों में ही
सपनों
अच्छा
में सही
है.
है.
ये
बिल्कुल.
हकीकत ना हो तो अच्छा है. For me at least.
It's the only place where you'll find a speed breaker inside a pothole or a pothole
I
inside a speed
remember
breaker.
that.
I don't know how they make the roads, but I think it's how it is.
It is, yeah.
So you already told me what are your two favorite builders. What is your favorite project in the Delhi NCR belt? And please DLF Camellias मत बोलना. Apart from that,
ठीक है. So it might sound repetitive because मैंने नाम ले चुका है, but then Central Park Resort hands down is my absolute
Central.
favorite.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. And they've already come up with Central Park Flower Valley also, which is in Sona, south of Gurgaon, Sogo, in case you want to say, yeah, Sogu.
so gay, so day, South Delhi.
Yeah. So there also they're coming up with a huge integrated township.
Right.
And there they have villas, they have plotted developments, studios, you name it. Basically, they have the entire ecosystem. So, yeah.
Interesting.
They are very
Interesting.
easily second.
I have to come check. It's been a while I've been to Sogo and Sode.
Yeah, I would. I would love to host you and show you around. Yeah.
Sode.
Yeah. Sode.
Sorry guys, खाना खा लिया हमने. Just please eat.
आप लोगों से ज़्यादा खाना खा लिया हमने.
Okay.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.